Mounting options for the AmeriWind fans. This is a 4-foot wood mount. We also have 8-foot. We've got them adjustable, so you go in and out. We can do them custom, whatever. So we've got all kinds of standard is 4-foot. We got 4-foot adjustable. It makes it really easy. And we have drop pipes of all different sizes. You can stack them to bring your fan as far down as you possibly want to. We have these angle brackets. These go on any kind of solid beam that you can drill through. You can mount them this way or any which way you want to, and go up to 13 inches wide by simply flipping them different ways. Then here's our purlin mount. We've got you get these 2 angle pieces and 6-foot purlins. You can span up to 6-foot long spaces, and it makes it real easy. You bolt these fast and it goes real easy. But you do need to use when you're using this, it's not as strong. You have to use guy wires with it. So we use our guy wires are 3/16, and we use real turnbuckles. We installed too many competitive brands where we had little weenie turnbuckles and little guy wires, and they didn't hold up in outdoor environments. So we're trying to make all our fans strong enough to take the wind when they're mounted in agriculture applications, and this makes them really strong. So again, you can see all our mounting options here. There's not shown, we have an I-beam clamp to clamp on to the edge of an I-beam, and then that's a swivel, and that takes the guy wires. When you're mounting the 4-foot right here on top of the fan, you do not need guy wires. But as soon as you start coming down, having the blades more than about 3 foot from the ceiling, as soon as the red part's more than about 3 foot from the ceiling, you're going to start needing guy wires, because you can't get it stiff enough otherwise. So again, guy wires, you get 4 of them with the guy wire kit. They come out at 45-degree angles, and they make it really easy. They make it really easy to have a sturdy installation when you're finished.